Kumar, please give access to Ravi to join that June batch now. Right. Hi everyone. Good morning. A warm welcome to RPA Wall Training. So today is the second demo session. So any new joiners today who joined for the first time today?
Hi Raghav, I'm Tushar. I'm joined today. First time.
Okay. Okay. So Tushar, this is the second demo. Please, as you have missed the first demo, I'll share the recording link with you. Please go through the recording demo link what we have covered yesterday. But on a high level, what we have discussed yesterday, I'll just recap. Okay.
Okay.
Right, guys. Right. So everyone, today we are going to discuss about Kumar. Are you there, Kumar? He's calling you. Please respond. Raviteja. Hello.
Yes, sir. I just provided. I'm working on it.
Okay. Thanks. Okay, guys. So, so today what we are going to discuss. So after you join an organization, what will be your roles and responsibilities as an RPA consultant? Why we call as a consultant? Why not software engineer? What is the differences between software engineers to consultants? And what companies are expecting from you? Why they are giving you high salary paid jobs compared to other technologies? Why they are paying you high amount of salaries? So and what you can expect from me, what I'm expecting from you all in the coming 45 days. Okay, so just to recap what we have discussed yesterday, guys, like what is RPA, why it came into the picture, and why it is trending and booming technology in the short time. What are advantages, disadvantages, what are all other tools and the top trending tools, and uh, and what are the different industries nowadays using this UiPath and all RPA tools, and what are all the different automations we have, and about our class structure, how many days, like Monday to Friday we will discuss morning 7:30 to 9 a.m. actual class will be started, like every day 7:30 to 9 a.m. guys. Okay, if all are okay, we can even take up to 9:30 also, depends, okay, on all of your majority. And Saturday Sunday will be holiday, and total 30 to 33 classes you will get. In that one, 25 classes will be on your path and agentic automation, and 8 classes will be from attended and Power Automation Cloud plus Power Automation Desktop. Total, you will get 60 hours of content. So the cost will be 16,999. So this offer completed yesterday. Okay. And then, right. So as I've told you, it's a systematic what you can expect from me. Complete training, online training. I can give you certification support, like how to become a UiPath certified developer professional, and you will guys get will hands-on experience by doing the practice every day. And I can help you in sharing the resume samples, and you can edit those resume formats based on your years of experience. I'll share different resumes like freshers level, 1+ year, 3+ years experience, 5+, 7+, 10+, and 14+, 15+, like that. So choose your format, edit with your details, and regarding the project, which project you have to mention and all, I can help you in preparing and finalizing the resume and creating Naukri account, LinkedIn account, and we'll take you mock interviews, and we'll post all the job openings across the globe in our groups, WhatsApp groups, and in the LinkedIn post. And they can give you freelancing opportunities, internship opportunities, direct opportunities. Okay. So what I'm expecting from you all, please try to join all the sessions without fail. Change your priorities to attending the classes, learning the year path from yesterday to upcoming 45 days. And every day 2 hours of training and 2 hours of practice at least is recommended. Only attending the classes, may not helpful for all of you, because whatever the experience you are going to put 2 years or 1 year or 3 years, that all experience you have to complete it in 45 days. So at least 1 to 2 hours of practice is recommended every day, whatever we are discussing. Because when I am doing when I am doing from my end, it will be very easy to see the screen what I am doing. But if you guys do start practicing, then you will understand whether you understand the subject or not. Whatever the task I have assigned, when you started practicing, your mouse and keyboard should move to the next step. If you're not able to take activity, you're not able to pass the properties, you don't know what activity you should take, then how you will do the job after joining in the company, whatever the client assigned you the task. Correct? So, and every day minimum you should spend 2 hours on certification, guys, from academy. So guys, we have free certifications are there and paid certifications are also there in UiPath. So if you enter the website called academy.uipath.com, so here you can get directly. So guys, this is the official website of UiPath Academy, which means, as I have told you, it is a self-learning tool, and they have provided so many certifications like for free of cost from this academy page. So here what you can do, go to the learning plans. Total there are so many courses are there, guys. Right. So total 709 courses are there. Just select English. So guys, in this UiPath everything certifications and all academy, you will get in two languages. One is English and Japanese. So total 263 courses are there here. But these all are like independent courses. Like it doesn't have any some kind of plan structure. For example, you want to only learn about document understanding, then just go here. Total it will take 5 hours. And this is a process template, like it will take 3 hours. See, this is AI center 1 hour. Like this is are like separate, separate courses. It's not recommended for all of you. What we should do, go to the learning plans, go to the learning plans again, choose English here. Okay, academy.uipath.com is the URL for to open the academy. Become certified professional. Okay, academy.uipath.com. So if you choose English, then you have, see here guys, these are the courses like plans. What you want to become. You want to become a business analyst or solution architect or infra setup management or a developer or a tester or uh, support hypercare team. So this is here studio web. So guys, we have this studio available in the desktop application. At the same time, it will available in the web also. And this is our automation developer associate, like basic level. This is specialized AI, and this is like autopilot. This is for testing. So like this is for process analyst. This is for citizen developer. Like this, they have classified, categorized into. This is solution architect training. This is SAP specialist. So like this, they have classified, segregated. So if you see here, every hour, every course, it will take 12 hours of time, 7 hours of time, 16 hours of time, 45 hours, 36 hours. So for all of you as a beginner, I will recommend you to complete this developer professional training, which will take 84 hours of time. If you click this one, it will open the plan. Okay, scroll down, please scroll down. See, automation developer professional training. If you scroll down, click on learning plan structure. They have categorized it into three categories: automation explorer, associate, developer professional. This is free of cost only, guys. You don't need to pay anything. So if you click here, you should start from the first lesson. So by tomorrow, everybody, please complete this first two lessons. Take this survey, complete this exam, complete this lesson, and then go for the next lesson. So here the best part is, so as it is a free of cost, you should have to do each and every step lesson very clearly. You cannot jump directly from first lesson to last lesson, guys. Each and every lesson, every minute is important, because if it is important, then only they made the video and they put it in the course. You cannot think like, ah, it's okay, it is not important. Don't think like that. If it is important, then only they put that video, right? So each and everything is important, guys. Just a second, right? And every lesson you, once you complete, at end of the lesson you have 10 questions of multiple choice questions, 10 question and answers, multiple choice option, and you have to clear those exam at end of every lesson, then only you are eligible to go for the next lesson. Got it? That's why it's very important, because as it is a free, they'll take care of very much. So in every 1 hour of lesson, here 1.5 hour, it is 2 hours. It is, let me, settings, notifications. Right. So every 1 hour of lesson, you have 20 to 30 minutes of video based on this concept. So please complete this Automation Explorer, which will take 10 hours of time. Total 10 modules will be there. After that, go for the associate training. It will take 32 hours of time. And then developer professional training, it will take 40 hours of time. Once you completed all these 84 hours of time, then you will get this digital credential, which is UiPath Developer Professional, which is the free one from the academy. Got it? So it will take 84 hours, guys. So you guys will start from today. It will take almost 45 days to complete this only one certification. Like this, we have so many, but this is mandatory and recommended one for every developer who wants to start your career as a developer. This is recommended certification to do this. Okay, you should have to mention this in your resume, then only recruiters will call you for the interview, guys. It is recommended if you're a developer professional. Okay, understood everybody? And once you completed all, you, every exam, every lesson, you have the 10 questions. Okay, multiple choice. Out of 10 you should get 70%, which means seven questions you have to choose correct answer. If you fail, no problem, you can take second time, no problem. But at the last, you will get 60 questions, guys. Last exam you will get 60 questions. That 60 questions, you have only two attempts. If you failed in the two attempts, then again you have to start from the first lesson. It's a kind of a chartered accountant exam, CA exam. So please take care. When you are learning something, please prepare some notes. It is very, very important, guys. You all are here decided that you want to go and become a UiPath consultants, right? So as part of learning, this certification also one of the part. Okay. Yeah, Kamal, please go ahead.
Will log into company portal or company email or Gmail account?
Gmail only. Always don't go for company mail IDs in any of the account. It's not recommended, because in future if you change the company, you don't have access to that email, so you cannot change passwords or anything. So better always go for the Gmail accounts only. Okay.
Do we need to sign up, right? That one? Sign up
Yeah,
with G.
sign up and all, how to do and all that I'll explain in actual session. This is just to give some heads up, like what is the academy plan and how to do what to do. I'll give you all one referral code, so that in that code, if you join, you will get some bonuses also. That I'll give you on Monday session. So guys, tomorrow we don't have the session. So next session will be on Monday, because again, depends on the how many joiners, like paid joiners join. Based on that, we'll take the session tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll start promotions again from tomorrow. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, some more promotions again on Monday morning. Our first class, for example, out of all you, for example, 20 members join. Okay, so on Monday morning, our first session will be started, and for example, 10 more people join for the demo. So after the class, after our 1.5 hour class, I will take another demo session for them. Okay, that's how my training plan designed. Okay, clear, everyone? Any questions so far in terms of certification and all? Right. Hey, hi, Ankush, join my session.
Yeah, hi Raghav. Yes, really good to see you.
Thank you. Thanks, man. Okay, everyone. So this is about the free academy certification recommended when you want to kickstart your career as an RPA consultant. And here even we have some paid certifications also. In some countries like in US, these paid certifications are mandatory if you want to start your career. So for that, go to the certifications. We have total almost 10 plus certifications are there for paid one, which is associate, like very basic level. This is developer associate, this is developer professional. So all the associate exams will take a cost of $150 plus $27 of tax. The total 177 in India. If it is in US, only it's $150. All associate exams 150, all professional exams cost around $300. This is $300 plus $54 tax, guys. So $354 to INR means it will take 31,000 rupees to complete this one exam. And the rule is, if it only, you will get one attempt only. You will get 60 questions, you will get only one attempt, and you should get 70%. Even if you get 69.9 also, your 31,000 will be gone. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important. And this is like very recommended certification for everybody. That's why if you start now in this developer professional, from the learning practice for free, then at least you will get some knowledge to attempt this developer professional, which is paid one. Okay, so I don't recommend to all of you, like as a beginners, freshers, directly investing 31,000 rupees, and after that, if you don't want to continue, don't want to learn anything in your path, then it will be wasted, no? So who all are, hey Raghu, I want to do this certification in my company, they're asking me to do this, then go for it. Like this, we have business analyst associate is there, business analyst professional, like so many certifications are there, guys, in your path. Paid certifications these are. So once you complete it, as I have showed you yesterday, these kind of certifications you will get, digital certifications. Okay, so this is when I have done the associate exam, and then this is business analyst exam. These all are $300 exams. Okay, right. This is about the academy plan, guys. Right. So today we'll discuss about roles and responsibilities of an RPA consultant. So first of all, why we call as a consultant? What does it mean? Why not software engineer? Okay, so you guys, if you're from computer science background or in your academics, you have a subject called software engineering, right? So in that one, you have a concept called SDLC. So what is the full form, guys? Any idea, anyone? Software development
Life
Life
cycle.
cycle model.
Life cycle.
life cycle. So you have two different models here. The first one is waterfall model. Second one is agile model. So What is this waterfall model and agile model? First of all, why we have this software development life cycle and why we should follow this one? What is the importance of this one in real time? So you want to, for example, you want to, construct a new building. Okay. For example, a 5 floor building, apartment. So you have given some contract to some guy, civil engineer, a builder. Then if you don't put any timeline, then what will happen? He will keep on constructing for years on years because every day you are paying the money. They'll do some time pass. But instead of that, if you put some deadline, then what will happen? Everything will be structured and planned. Everything will go based on the timeline. Every day they have to share some updates. What is your today plan? What you have done up to yesterday? What is your tomorrow's plan? By end of this week, how much you are the demo you are going to showcase? Okay. So Kumar, if the class is completed, please go and stop recording in that June batch. Okay. So, so when you don't have any timelines for any of your plan, then it will take so much of time to complete because you don't have pressure. It will like keep on going. Instead of that, if everything is timeline, then you will get more pressure. I have to show this by end of the day. Otherwise, my manager will ping me. What is the status? How much of task you completed? They'll ask you. That's how to make everything, to become ready and to prepare efficient solutions. We got this waterfall model in software development lifecycle. The drawback of waterfall methodology is, right, your old model keypad mobile phones, old model watches, old model type monitors, desktops, all electronic gadgets. What is the drawback of those models, guys? Once you purchase the product in the market, you cannot you cannot update it. Nowadays, what we need, everything update, update, update. If I'm using OnePlus 9 phone today, tomorrow I need OnePlus 10. I need some updates. If you're using Honda Activa 5G, tomorrow you need 6G. If you use iPhone 10, you need iPhone 11. If I'm using some WhatsApp application today, I need some updates. Then how you are getting all these updates? Or you keep on uninstalling and installing the application again to see the updates? No, the data will remain same, but the changes will get affected on your application. How it is getting affected? Because you guys are they're following agile methodology. The drawback of waterfall model is you cannot update. Once the product came into the market, into the live, the short span of time, the lifetime of the product is less. Once you purchase keypad mobile phone, after 2 to 3 years, you should put in dustbin only, no? But nowadays, what is happening? Every gadget, every product, everything, whatever you see in the market, it is keep on updating every day. So first they will release one draft. They will keep on doing the enhancements and they will release, right? If you open your Play Store, App Store, you will see the late so many updates, no, every day. How you are getting all those? Because the developers following the agile methodology. Then what will happen? You have to keep on update. Okay, so guys, please listen carefully. That second demo session, it's very important because you should know what you have to do after joining in the company, right? So if you know what to do, then you can take the decision whether you are fit for this or not. Correct? So please keep mute for your mobile phone and turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data and concentrate on the class. So here, for example, let's consider some example, guys. Okay, so that's why, guys, everybody nowadays using agile methodology. In agile methodology, as I have told you, what will have, guys? First of all, for example, I am working for the client called Meta. So what are the companies owned by Meta, guys? WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and different companies are there. Now I am working for the company called Wipro. Wipro. I have, like, for example, 8 years of experience. I'm a Java developer. So, Java developer, and my designation is senior software engineer. So I'm working for the company called Wipro, and my client is Meta. I am working for the application called WhatsApp. So total our team members are 30 members. Our Java development team total 30 members are there. And our project timeline is client gave us only 30 days. Mark Zuckerberg came and he gave the new requirement for us. What is the requirement? Hey Raghu and team, I don't know what you guys do. In India, complete payment options everybody is doing from Google Pay and Phone Pay. I want you to all also to develop some application, even the payment option, even in WhatsApp also, so that everybody should use WhatsApp. I'm giving you 30 days of time. I don't know how many of you guys take. I don't know what type of technologies, what type of licenses you need. I'll give you, but I want you to all to develop this option. Then immediately what our 30 people will do, first of all, how many people will included here, guys? First of all, we have a scrum master will be there, and we have a sprint plan will be there. So what this guy do, scrum master, he will design the total project. He will schedule all the calls with the 30, with these 30 members for the 30 days. He will schedule a plan every day. Morning 9 a.m. one call, and evening 6 p.m. one call. In the 9 a.m., all these 30 members will join and they'll share their updates. Hey, I have done this today development. I am facing some issue here. I need some support from you. Like that, all these people will join and share their updates. What you have done yesterday, you can show some demo, and by evening, you should share your screen and you should showcase that what you have completed from the morning. Okay. So sprint plan. So they will make a sprint plan for first 15 days, second 15 days. John, even పడ్డాడేంటి? Just 1 second. Right. So you have sprint plan, scrum master, project manager will be there for the project, and some reporting managers will be there, and one solution architect will be there, right? And you have business analyst will be there, and leads will be there, developers will be there, testers, support team. Deployment team. So guys, in this particular project, total these many people, all this together, for example, 30 members are there. For example, one project member, one manager, two solution architects are there. For example, guys, this is 3 business analysts are there, 2 leads are there, and 10 developers are there, 5 testers are there, and deployment team 2 members, and support team, for example, 5 members. So all these people together, and what is the requirement, guys? They should have to work on this WhatsApp payment option in next 30 days. So to develop that, they'll work like anything. End of the 31st day, they have to use this option throughout the world in India. So here, what is happening, guys? So project manager will take care of the project completely and he will deliver the project, like whether everything he will every day he will track. You have to share the reports, updates like daily report status, weekly status report, and manager will report to the project manager, and solution architect will give high level solution on a high level. Business analyst will prepare the documentation part, and leads will divide the tasks and assign those tasks to the developers. Developers will do the development based on the business analyst documentation, and once developers develop it, testers will do the testing of those developed applications. And finally, after getting the testing approvals, they will deploy the process into live. You will get those updates into your applications, Play Store or Apple Store. And finally, you have support team, which means if you observe, all these 30 members are working for 30 days to develop this product, which is not existed already. That's why they're calling as software engineers. Now coming to RPA consultants. RPA consultants. So what will be your roles and responsibilities here? So here, first of all, again, I am working in Wipro. Okay, I have 10 plus years of experience, and I am working for the client called Philips. Philips. Okay. And in Philips, there are total 20 manual processes are there. 20 manual processes from last 10 years working on the same applications. Working on the same applications by Philips. Total 10 members are working on those applications. Total 10 members working on those applications. Okay. So total 20 processes are there. From 10 years, they are working on the same application. So obviously it is a kind of an repeated manual task. It is a repeated, it's a repeated manual task. Okay. Now as an RPA consultant, what we have to do? First of all, the client SME. SME means, guys, subject matter expert. What he will do? This total 20 processes is there. No, one head will be there. For example, his name is Rahul. He is SME from client side. He is having 25 years of experience in Philips. So he know each and every process, everything he know. Okay. So, and now they want to implement this RPA in their company called Philips. Then what will happen? Client SME Rahul will explain the manual process to Raghu. Who is Raghu here? RPA consultant. So I am working for Wipro and I am working on this UiPath tool. As a consultant, I have joined with 10 plus years experience. Then Wipro gave me one client, the client called Philips. Okay, as it is a consulting company. So TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, you know, right? All these companies are consulting companies. They'll give us again one more client. So this company Philips, for example, giving 1,000 rupees to Wipro, then Wipro will give you 700 rupees. Okay, which means the 300 rupees is profit for Wipro. That's how these companies works, guys. Okay, it's a product company, service company. The product companies are different. Okay, they'll work for internal. You will work for the same company. But when you join this type of consulting companies, you should work for another client. Okay, that's the difference between service and product based. So now I have joined and I'm working for the client Wipro. So my manager asked me to work for Philips. So in the Philips, there are so many processes are there. So in the client, Rahul is explaining me the manual process to me. Then what I have to do, first of all, I have to collect the collect the requirement gathering as a first step. Whenever he is explaining, I will record the steps because he is working on the same process from 25 years. He know every option. But I am first time looking into the application process when he is explaining. They want us to automate. I went there to automate. When he is explaining, I am not understanding. I may not understand for the first time. So better record. Whenever you're doing automation, guys, better record the process. Ask them, take permission and record it. Then you don't need to keep on disturb that guy again and again because he's very high much experienced. So he may not available every time. Instead of that, if you record the steps, then after the demo, after the requirement demo completed, you have to check the feasibility. Check the feasibility. You have to check the feasibility, which means analysis. You have to analyze the process steps, whatever he explained. You have to understand whether we can do this process automation or not. Because as I have told you, no human intervention should be there. When he's explaining, he's keep on telling you, we prepare this report and we will send to that guy. And once he responded, then only we will go to next step, which means some human decision making is there. Okay. So like 1, 2 decisions are there, fine. But some processes, they have so many rules will be there, guys. So many decision makings will be there. At that time of situation, it's not recommended to use this RPA. And even, some applications, the data will keep on changing format and all. It won't work. And some applications, they'll keep on, updating the process, like the front end, everything, they will keep on change. Then it's not recommended to automate. So in the second phase, you have to check the feasibility, whatever the process explained. Is it really a repetitive manual task or not? If you implement this, how much of time and money you can save for the client? What are the volume of the tickets you are getting per day? If you implement this, how many advantages will get by the client? You automated by taking 2 months of time. After robot went live, you are getting only one ticket per day. Manually itself, they are taking 30 minutes of time, and now you are doing it in 15 minutes. Your robot is doing 15 minutes. So only 15 minutes of time is saving, guys. Really, is it recommended such kind of processes to automate? No. The volume should be high, transaction should be more, and the application should be static. The data should be static, no changes, no decision making, only straightforward or some decision making. Even though it is complex, no problem, but no dependency on human being should be there. Then only we can automate. So you have to understand the requirement gathering. You check the feasibility by doing all these analysis, and then you have to prepare the documentation. So what are all the kinds of documentations we have in real time? Business requirement document, solution design document, project cutover plan, exception handling document, case study document, process flow presentations. Okay, so all these types of documentations will be there. So who will prepare these documents? In case if in your organization, in case business analyst is there, then he will also join this requirement gathering call, and that guy business analyst will take care of preparing the documentation. But some companies, you should have to join as an independent contributor. Then sometimes you have to prepare this document yourself. Okay, so you are the one collecting the requirement gathering, checking the feasibility, doing the documentation, and once documentation got approved, then you have to do the development, and then you have to do testing, unit testing, and then quality check with the client. And then once testing approvals you got, then you will deploy the bot into live, and then monitoring like support, or you can say hypercare. All are same, guys. Okay, once your robot went live, then somebody should be there, no, to support, to take care of whether robots are running correct or not. And finally, change request. So guys, if you observe, what is the difference between this software engineering roles and responsibilities to here? How many people are working here, guys? Hmm? Only one guy. Because we are not developing something new here. Already application is in live from long time. You are just automating those steps using this robot. That is called automation. Simply, like you can say, it's a simple drag and drop automation tool. No coding knowledge required. No, kind of uh, as I have told you, everything like you should take care of like activities. At what time we should take which activity, if you know, then that's it. So guys, this is like not I'm like saying the same scenario in all companies. Okay. Some companies you have to work like independent contributor, or you can say individual contributor. We call as ICs. We call ICs, individual contributors. So when you join in a company as an individual contributor, as a consultant, then you have to take care of all these roles. So I can help you how to collect requirement gathering, how to check the feasibility, what are all the points to be collected, how to prepare documentation, what is the format of these documents looks like, and how to do the development. Once development completed, how to do the testing. After getting testing approvals, how to deploy, monitoring, support, everything. I can help you in learning. That's why companies are paying you high salaries, because here your roles and responsibilities a bit more compared to here. Correct? Understood? So, right, like consultants, guys, if you go onto the road, you can see some boards like real estate consultant, automobile consultant. So let's consider real estate consultant. So what that guy do, real estate consultants, based on his market research, he'll invest some money on the land by doing some research. He'll go and purchase some land. For example, 1 acre, he purchased it for 1,000 rupees. Then what he will do, he will provide all amenities, roads, drainage, current, water, and all. And he invested 20 rupees on the amenities. Total, he invested 120 for 1 acre. Then what he will do, he will divide everything into separate plots, and he'll take some profit, and he will start doing advertisement. And once the end users comes up, he will explain what is the advantages if you invest on this land. By this year you will get this much, by next year you will get this much, airport is nearby, hospital nearby, like that he'll say like anything, right? And finally he sold out all the plots, and finally he got 2,000. So 800 rupees is profit for him. He's like as a mediator between the landlord and the end user. This consultant guy is taking care of everything: investment, amenities, lies, advertisement, marketing, risk, investment, everything. So act like as a mediator between the landlord and the end user. So here also RPA consultant, you will become act like as a between your Wipro to the Philips. You will take care of everything requirement from Philips. You will design, develop, automate, and deliver to the product to Wipro, and you will keep updates everything to your manager Wipro from your RPA manager Wipro side. Okay, understood everyone what we should do? And again, I'm telling this is not the same in all companies. If you join as a technical normal developer, then what you should do, you will only do the development part. Okay, you should do only the development part. For example, see here. For example, you joined as a normal technical developer. Then this business analyst will give you the document, business requirement document, approved document. Then you, based on the document, you should do only development. You don't need to do anything. Okay, clear everyone? Understood what will be the roles and responsibilities? Any questions, anyone so far? Right. Right. So guys, generally we have different openings on your path. Like We will get maximum business analyst jobs, developers jobs like consultants, and then you have support jobs. Only these three jobs only you will get in the market. Either business analyst, which means you have to take care of all documentation, presentations, act like as a mediator between the developer and the client. He'll take care of completely documentation, getting updates, everything from client side. These developers, what these guys do, like consultant, if you join as a consultant, you should take care of everything. And some support jobs will be there, which means whatever the development, everything completed, when it is in support, hypercare, this guy's support guy will take care of monitoring part. Okay, understood everyone? Change request means after deployment also you will keep on getting some updates, some changes. Then you should create some change request CR number. In that one you should inform them for this change implementation need these many time, these many efforts, these many developers, everything you should update. Correct? And so many people thought like RPA tools are testing tools. It's not at all a testing tool, guys. It's a development tool. It's a developer tool. Okay, it's an automation developer tool. It's not at all testing tool. You know, right? In testing, we have Selenium, UFT, ETL, and we have macros. Like SAP, we have SAP RPAI. Like different automation tools are already there, but those are have some limitations are there for all those. But for RPA, we don't have any limitation. That's why it is like one of the trending and booming technology in the market now. Right. I'll play some video, guys, for all of you. Please listen. I have already mentioned this in the demo, in the message. If you have not seen so far, then just please go through it. You're getting the sound, guys? You getting the sound? Please confirm anyone.
No.
Okay, let me reshare. Now getting right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
This is a robot. This is a robot. And this is a robot. Robots take the tasks that can be performed by people and make them more reliable and efficient through automation. UiPath makes software robots, and through robotic process automation, or RPA, people can use these robots to be more productive, more engaging, more human. Let's walk through a quick use case to see a software robot in action. The UiPath Assistant sits on an employee's desktop and is loaded with automations to improve personal productivity, create departmental efficiency, as well as streamline company-wide operations. In this example, I'm a wealth manager, and I'm preparing my weekly portfolio updates for my customers. When it's time to perform my customer prospecting, a reminder pops up and prompts me to start my IPO filing outreach. This is a process that checks recently filed S1s and extracts officers and directors using machine learning. The process begins by asking me to select the date range for the S1s that should be pulled. In this example, the robot works in parallel to me using picture-in-picture, a feature that provides the UiPath Assistant with a perfect copy of my desktop, allowing me to continue my work uninterrupted. While I continue working on my updates, I can watch the attended automation run, or I can minimize it. Once the companies are identified, my UiPath Assistant notifies me and gives me options on how I would like to review and connect with prospects. Because I selected manual review, UiPath Assistant launches the UiPath Validation Station, so I can see and confirm the exact entries from the S1. Remember, I may only have one shot at this introduction. In the final step, the process is checked to see if the extracted contacts exist in Salesforce and Marketo and gives me the option to choose who I want to reach out to. It has also created draft emails for me to review and confirm. I can also see the newly created contacts in Salesforce and Marketo. Our automations are industry agnostic. Whether you're automating a process for individual consumption or enterprise-wide usage, UiPath has you covered. Visit us at uipath.com to learn more.
Okay, understood, guys. On a high level, our robots are not a physical robots. It's just a software. It's just a piece of code wherein we'll install as a software in our machines to understand and to automate the existing manual processes. Okay, so let me share you one presentation. Right. So RPA is a technology enables a software program to mimic the human actions, interacting with the computer applications by giving the keyboard inputs. Robot can give mouse movements, clicks, and robots can able to read the computer screen. Robot can read the Excel data, PDF data, web application data, whatever the screen you ask robot, it can able to extract. It will digitalize everything. It will convert into text by using OCR engines. Okay, so what is RPA? It mimic human actions. It operate any application, any type of application. It can read structured data and it can do some interpretation. It can create some meaning from that, and it will take some actions on the data, and it won't do any mistake without taking any rest like a human being. It was like very quick to implement and very powerful to scale to get efficient solutions. What RPA is not? Our RPA is not walking, or it is not talking, or it's not a humanoid robot. Okay, and it is not a warehouse robot, guys. And it is like not like a human replacement generally say, because they don't really replace human being, because people are not losing the job. Maybe they can assign some another task to that guy. Got it? So what robots can do? Robots can log into any application. Robots can connect to any API applications. Robot can move the files, folders, rename the files, delete the files. It can check whether the file is available or not. It can count the files, and it can extract the content from document, PDF, email, and different web forms, web pages. It can write and read to databases. It can connect to database, disconnect from database. It can execute the queries like a human being. It will open the emails, it will open the attachment, it will download, and it will copy the content, it will process that content. It will scrape the data from web application and Excel and whatnot, and it can do some calculations like arithmetic, mathematics also. Got it? So in which different businesses nowadays using this RPA? On a high level, in education department, for example, enrollment, student enrollment process. So if you consider student is joining in a school, so for every student, it's the same process, no? Which class, what is the name of the student, parents details, what is the age, gender, which class, which section, what is the tenure, what is the fees cost, address. All these details are like same. It's a repetitive task only. Every day 100 students are joining, like same like in hospital. Patients are coming, the receptionist will take all the details and they'll enter all those details into the databases. Right? CRUD operations: create, retrieve, update, and delete. If you take any of the application, any industry, all operations will revolve around these four options only: creating the data, updating the data, retrieving the data, deleting the data. Patient, bank, hospital, insurance company, real-time IT company, corporate companies. In for example, in Infosys, if you consider, there are like 4 lakhs employees are there. Every day, 500 to 600 new employees will join in the company. So for onboarding for a particular one employee, you know how much of time it will take? What is the overall hiring process for that employer? That guy should first of all share the resume. The company HR or tag team should schedule the meeting with the end user, and that guy should select the first round, second round, offer letter, and the HR will collect all the details for background verification, and then they'll upload all the details: previous employment history, educational background, if any career gap, all the details will upload, and then finally that guy is eligible for onboarding. It's the same repetitive process for everybody. Payroll, processing the salaries for 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs employees. Do you know how much of time it will take? So doing the same process for all, it's a kind of a repetitive tasks only, guys, in every company, every organization. Attendance robot, scheduling meetings, classroom and online learning, answering queries in supply chain, inventory management: how much of stock is there today, how much we got, how much stock already there, how much of data stock by end of the day we sell, how much of money generated, what will be the next stock item, how much of quality and like quantity we are ordering from the warehouse. IT department, server and application monitoring, routine maintenance, HR, client services, accounting. These are all the different industries nowadays using this automation, guys. Okay. So as I have told you, what is software development lifecycle, why we need this RPA in that one, and what are the different phases. So SDLC, it will talk about what are all the people responsible at each stage, and describe about the complete life cycle of the process. So why we need to use this: to design, develop, and to test high quality software, ensure each and every expectation, what exactly the client gave you the requirement, you have to develop the same, to estimate the cost, time, and to ensure to deliver the project in timeline by using the service level agreements, SLS. So different phases we have: discovery, documentation, development, UAT, deployment, change request, and maintenance. In terms of discovery, as I have told you, what will happen: first of all, collecting the requirement gathering, analyze the feasibility of the automation, complexity measurement, like whether is it a low complexity, medium complexity, or high complexity, and what will be the benefits will get company by the company. And if you have the business analyst, he will take care of. In case if that guy is not there, then you have to take care of this discovery phase. Documentation, I've told you, business requirement document, some companies will call it as a PDD and SDD. In PDD, sometimes it will provided by the client, or business analyst will prepare this. Okay, it will be have complete understanding of the requirement. There are total 50 steps are there in the process. All that 50 steps you have to mention in the document. This is the step explained by the client. And manually 50 steps are there. After we automated, there are like only 30 steps. Please go through this document, client, and approve it. Whatever you explained, please validate whatever we captured the points, and please approve. If you approve, then only we will go for the next step, development. If they don't approve, don't go for the development, because without documentation, if you develop something wrong, there again some project will be go wrong. You will say that, hey, no, you explained me this way only. Client will say, no, I explained you to put the traffic colors like red, green, and orange, saffron, yellow. but that guy developed in pink, violet, and purple. So there is no proof. Client is saying, I told you red and green and saffron, orange. You developed in violet, blue, and purple. No proof, no validation, no sign of approval, nothing. That's why documentation is very, very important in each and every life cycle in RPA. Okay, so SDD means high level solution, estimating the time, budget, how many people required, FTEs, and what is the solution, and development. So development will take care based on the documentation. Developers will start from here. Developer takes responsibility, as I've told you. UAT, whatever developer developed, will go for UAT. Finally, deployment, which means project goes live, and then change request might come, and then support. Okay, understood everyone about RPA life cycle? What will be your roles and responsibilities, what we can do, where we can do, where we can implement this automation and all? Any questions, anyone? Right. So any questions, anyone guys? Please feel free to unmute and you can ask me. Okay guys, then let's connect on Monday morning for our first actual session, and the time will be morning 7:30 a.m. Okay. So whoever wants to join and confirm, so kindly make the payment, and first two free demo sessions completed. And if you want to join and learn this UiPath, Agentic Automation, Power Automation, Cloud, Desktop, until unless getting the job, my complete support will be there for all of you until unless you got settled on. Okay. Yeah, Saurabh, go ahead.
Uh, Raghava, can we? I just wanted to know, can we shift it to like earlier than that, 7 o'clock on the daily basis if it's not so problematic? So,
No,
so
it's
that
not like an independent poll. No, it's like
no,
all
no,
group.
no, I'm asking for everyone as if
Ha.
not problematic.
We'll take a poll once the paid candidates confirmed. For example, 20 members join, then we'll create a poll whether you all are comfortable at 7:30. Based on the majority, we'll go. Okay.
Yes, because on the later hours I'll have to go to, I mean, go to our individual jobs and all. So it will be beneficial for all as well. So it's okay. Let's take that poll.
Sure. Thanks for the suggestion.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Any more questions, suggestions? Anyone? Arjun. Hi, Arjun. I think you joined today only, right?
Yeah, hi Raghava. Yes.
Okay, so as I have told you that this is second free demo session, completed the first demo already, guys, whoever joined for the first class today. So please ping me hi in WhatsApp so that I'll add you in the group. I'll share all updates and I'll share the yesterday's recording link also with all of you. Okay. So if any of your friends, relatives, anyone is looking for job and looking for training, looking for support completely, you can share my number and you can refer them. I'll give you the referral bonuses amount also if you refer them. Once they join, I'll give referral bonus also. Right.
Hi Raghava.
Hi.
Where can we access the videos, like the materials which you gave from Monday class?
So from Monday class, whoever paid, no, only this demo first and second classes will be accessed by anyone. We will upload in
Okay.
our paywall YouTube channel. Everyone can access. From Monday actual class, we will give the access to particular paid people only. Like if you click on share, I'll give you the email. Once you join, you entered the email, no? So we will give you only for the selected people whoever paid, and we will give you can't download option, so you cannot download. And these recordings, guys, will expire in 120 days, which means 4 months only it will be available. So in the 4 months, because if I give for lifetime, then what happening, people are not showing much interest, they don't go for the recording. But if you have some timeline, then only you will get some pressure that you will say like you will think like, okay, it is going to expire. In case if you need also, no problem, I'll extend some time if it is really you come up with some valid reason. Okay, after the class immediately you will get all recordings like this. This will be open accessed by the paid people only, and even the separate link will be shared for the Monday session, guys, not this demo session link. Clear? Sharanya?
Thank you.
Yeah, Sharvani, sorry.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Raghav.
Yeah, hi, Tushar.
Actually, I will ping you on WhatsApp. Can you share the syllabus which are you going to cover in the class?
So in terms of syllabus, as I have told you all, please open my website, rpavault.com. It's my company name. And guys, if you click on RPA UiPath, see, you can access, you can join the class every day from here, guys. Whatever the link I'm giving you, if you click here, you can join the class. And if you click here, you can able to access the recordings and course details. If you click on curriculum, so demo class 1, 2, I have covered yesterday what is introduction, tools, overview, RP versus testing, different industries, different automation types we have. And today discussed about difference between software engineers to consultants, roles and responsibilities, life cycle, future scope, sample demo program already covered yesterday. On class 3, we'll start with installation, class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. Please go through the recording. And even I have not updated this curriculum, which I am going to cover other than this agentic automation, action center, link you queries, rejects, like this. Some topics I have not included, even I will cover this also. Okay, so please go through this, Tushar. Okay, you can get each and every point what you're looking for.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any question? And guys, as I have told you, please give some feedback on my website, like how's the session, what you have learned today, is it good, or if any suggestions, please feel free to post your feedback and ratings on my website. Okay, it will be helpful for others. Right, guys, then everyone have a great weekend, and wishing you all very best, and let's connect on from Monday morning. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.